I wanted to show you guys a product that we have used throughout our entire house, and now we're using it in our outdoor space, and that is slim panel LED lighting. I have my favorite brand that we've been using for everything, but you can choose your own if you like. I just wanted to show you what it looks like and then show you a little bit of how it's installed and how easy it is in comparison to other can lighting. If you're familiar with typical traditional recessed lighting or can lighting as it's called in the industry, typically it comes with this big tall metal can that goes into the ceiling, and then you've got a trim piece, you've got a bulb. It's a bunch of different pieces, and it takes a lot of space up in your attic or in the recess of your ceiling to install. These are the complete opposite. They're super easy to install, they're really thin, and they don't take up any room except for just this little box into the ceiling. So they're a great option if you're on the first floor of a two-story building and there's not a lot of room in between the two stories. And just for it, another thing too is since they're LED, they don't get as hot, right? So if it doesn't get as hot, then it doesn't heat up your room as much, it doesn't cost as much in power bills and air conditioning bills, which is so huge in the South where we live. So this is the brand that I use. I don't even know how you pronounce it, Paramita, I think. These are available in my Amazon store. It's amazon.com/shop/Simple Honest Design, and you'll find my favorite things there, and these are in my favorite things because they truly are what we've used in our entire house. You'll also notice if you go there that these are 2700K, which is my favorite Kelvin temperature. You guys, yes, I have a favorite Kelvin temperature, and this is it. So they come in packs of 6 and 12, and we've been maxing out on all of them. If you have any questions about these, you can comment below. Otherwise, I'm going to put that link to my Amazon store so you can go get your own and install these recessed lights. You guys are going to love them.